Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Gmail on HUAWEI Nova 13. Let's begin. As you probably know, anything Google related is banned on HUAWEI phones. So in order to actually download one and download, for example, our Gmail here, we have to use Gspace. And if you don't know what Gspace is, we have a tutorial on that. It's called How to Install Google Play Store on HUAWEI Nova. And after you follow it, you will be able to just open the Google Play Store just like you would on a normal phone. Here you want to just input search and input your Gmail here. And we simply hit install. And after a while, after a pretty short while, the Gmail is now installed and we can simply click open. And now we have our Gmail here. And as you can see, it is not actually a Gmail installed on our phone as an application. It's just a copy made by Gspace using internet and cloud. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.